Welcome to the Ultimate Animal Trivia Challenge. This isn't about simple pictures. We're diving deep into the most incredible, bizarre, and mind-blowing facts from the animal kingdom. You'll get 10 seconds for choices and one mission: prove you're a true zoology expert. Get more than 35 right, and you're a genius. Ready? Let's begin. Blue whale. Its low frequency calls travel immense distances underwater. Sea lyrebird. It has an extraordinary complex syrinx voice box. Bee bat. Its wings are made of skin dots stretched between elongated dot finger bones. Bee owl. They have tubular eyes fixed in place, giving them incredible binocular vision. B. Hercules beetle, or rhinoceros beetle. Their mandibles are used for fighting rivals, not eating. B. cheetah. It can accelerate from 0 to 0.100 kilometers per hour in about 3 seconds. B. koala. Its low-energy eucalyptus diet forces it to conserve energy. C. bloodhound. It has about 300 million dot scent receptors. B. inland taipan. Its venom is strong enough to kill 0.100 adult men with one bite. B. water boatman, Micronecta schultzi. It sings by rubbing its penis dot against its abdomen. Sea ant. Its brain is about 6 of its body dot mass compared to 2 in humans. Sea blue whale or gray whale. A large whale's heart can weigh up to 600 kilograms, and its beating creates a faint but detectable electromagnetic field. The octopus. To pump blood to the gills, .1 pumps it to the rest of the body. B. Horseshoe crab blue blood. Its blood use is copper-based. Hemocyanin to carry oxygen, turning blue when oxygenated. B. Beaver. Constant gnawing on wood is essential to prevent overgrowth. Jerboa. Its kidneys are extremely efficient at conserving water. B. Climbing perch anabas. It uses its gill plates and pectoral fins to move on land. B. Lemur. Lemurs are prosimians, a more primitive group of primates. B. Centipede. It has one pair of legs per body segment and is a venomous predator. B. Golden poison dart frog. The poison from one frog can kill 0.10 adult men. B. Wombat. This helps it stay clean in its burrow. B. Giant squid. The size of a dinner plate that helps detect prey in the deep sea. Darkness. B. Kiwi. The egg is so large, the female can hardly move before laying it. B. Praying mantis. It gives them a wide field of stereo vision to judge distance to prey. platypus. The venom is strong enough to kill a small dog and cause excruciating pain in humans. Bee chameleon. The chameleon's tongue can be longer than its body and can accelerate at a rate 50 times greater than the force of gravity. Sea hummingbird. At rest, 500 beats, in flight up to 1200. This is necessary to maintain a colossal metabolism. Sea beaver. A beaver's incisors are covered with extra hard orange enamel and grow at a rate of up to 5 centimeters per month. Sea hyrax. Small herbivorous hyraces, found in Africa and the Middle East, share similar tooth and bone structures with elephants and Sirenians manatees. DUGONGS. Bee octopus. The octopus's esophagus passes directly through the center of its brain. Therefore, they must chew their food very thoroughly with a raw dula to avoid brain damage. Bee Greenland Arctic bumblebee. This bumblebee is the only insect that can survive north of the Arctic Circle. It produced special antifreeze proteins. Bee woodpecker finch. This is a classic example of tool use in birds studied by Darwin. Some finches even trim twigs to the right length. Bee solenodon. Solenodons hispanulin and Cuban are rare insectivores, whose venomous saliva paralyzes prey. They have no immunity to their own venom. Bee pufferfish of the species Torqueguiner. These mysterious structures were long unknown to science. They are created by males to attract females. See both the cuckoo and the cowbird. The classic example is the common cuckoo. The brown headed cowbird in North America does the same. Sea mantis shrimp stomatopod. Humans have only 3 such cones. These shrimp possess the most complex animal vision in the world, seeing ultraviolet, infrared, and circularly polarized light. Bee ostrich. This muscular section is called the gizzard. The stone's gastroliths act as teeth. Bee sloth. A sloth's body temperature can drop from 30 for C to 20 C to conserve energy. This is not true hibernation, but torpor. The Arctic tern. The tern nests in the Arctic and winters in Antarctica, seeing more sunlight than any other creature. Bee tarsier. The tarsier's eyes weigh more than its brain. They cannot rotate in their sockets, so the animal turns its head 180. The sperm whale. Sperm whales have codas click patterns that are unique to different clans and are culturally transmitted like human dialects. Bee starfish. The planarian is a model for regeneration studies. Its stem cells, neoblasts, can restore any part of the body, including a head with memory. Bee blue-streak cleaner wrasse. Labroids dimidiatus. All blue-streak cleaner wrasses are born female. A single large male dominates the group. If he dies, the largest female changes sex and takes his place. The platypus is one of the few mammals without a true stomach. This trait is believed to have been lost during evolution. See periodical cicada, genus Magicicada. North American periodical cicadas spend 13 or 17 years underground as larvae, feeding on root sap, before emerging en masse to reproduce. The African buffalo. Before moving, buffaloes stand up and turn in the direction they want to go. When a quorum of approximately 60% is looking the same way the herd moves. B. Weddell seal. This seal is the record holder for depth up to 600 meters and dive duration among seals, thanks to huge oxygen stores in its blood and muscles. B. Wandering albatross. The albatross is long, narrow wings allow it to soar over the ocean for hours with almost no flapping. C. Hippopotamus. Hippos produce loud grinding of their tusks, which serves as a warning and territory marker. The sound is transmitted through both air and water. And with that, our biological marathon is complete. 50 questions. Just a tiny glimpse into the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Behind each of these riddles are millions of years of evolution, amazing adaptations, and an endless will to survive. So what's your final tally? No matter what score you got, the important thing is that today you moved a little closer to understanding the amazing world we live in. And hopefully, you learned something new. Boldly drop your score in the comments below. Let's create a leaderboard of the most erudite viewers. And tag a friend you think this quiz will stump. Which question did you find the most memorable or surprising? Let's discuss it in the comments. Maybe we'll feature it in the next episode. Smash the like button if you're ready for new intellectual battles. Your like is the best signal to YouTube that smart content is valued here. And we'll make even more awesome quizzes for you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss our next releases. Coming up, riddles of the cosmos, mysteries of history, and puzzles from the world of science. Thanks for playing along. Until new discoveries.